Hello everyone. I have created a mini project using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which you can see here. Firstly, I will explain what I have done, and then I will explain how I have done. Okay. First, see what I have done. I am quickly typing my name, and when I am clicking the submit button, see what happens. You can see the hello say Kamilur Rahman, welcome to Webskitters Academy has appeared. Now say if I change the name, okay, to say Mr. Ram. Now see when I'm clicking the submit button, what happens? It changed to Mr. Ram, welcome to Webskitters Academy. So, and below you can see that there is a hour, minute and seconds which I have done. Now I will explain how I have done this. In the HTML file, I have created 3 files, separate files, HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. Okay, first I have created the HTML file. Within the HTML file, within the body element, I have created 3 tags. Within the body element I have created a div element, and within the div element I have created 3 tags: h1 tag, a form tag and the h2 tag. H1 tag is for the hello Mr. Ram, welcome to Webskitters Academy, that is h1 tag, and this you can see that 2 input elements and button is there. It is for the form tag, and in the below there is a time that I have used h2 tag. Okay, now in the CSS part, what I have done is I have used a gradient animation. That's why in the background the color is changing in every 5 seconds. Okay, and I have used flexbox to center the div. Okay, to center the div, and I've also used the text align center, so that's why in the middle that all the text are there. Okay, this is the CSS part, and in the JavaScript part what I have done is this hello Mr. Ram and the time that is changing, it is dynamically. So what I have done is I have used DOM manipulation here. Okay, so whenever I am clicking the submit button, the form should not reload, otherwise it won't, the h1 tag won't appear. So what I've done is I've used that one line of code, one piece of code, that is e.preventDefault. This is preventing the form to reload. Okay, that's why whenever I'm clicking the submit button, you can see in the 2 input tags Mr. Ram is still there. It is not like that, it is not getting this Mr. Ram, and it is not getting deleted. If I click the submit button again and again and again, you can see I'm clicking submit button again and again and again, but it is not refreshing. Okay, this is one part, and both this h1 and h2 tag for time and this heading. Okay, I have used DOM manipulation because I have to change it on the fly. I can't directly in the HTML file, I can't directly write that hello dash welcome to Webskitters Academy. I can't use that. In the fly I have to change it. That's why I'm using DOM manipulation here. And in the time you can see that in every second it is refreshing. It is possible because of set interval method in JavaScript, or function in JavaScript specifically, and I'm running those function in every 1 second. So set time interval helps me to achieve this. Okay, so this is just a basic introduction of my mini project. I will create more of such videos in my YouTube playlist. You can watch it there. And if you don't understand anything, it means you don't know HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you have to watch, and I will create a separate videos on that HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, till then, bye bye and take care of your health. Okay, bye.